Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage polls in Zoom meetings. Let's get started. First, open the Zoom desktop app and start or join a meeting as the host. At the bottom of the meeting window, click on the More button. It looks like 3 dots, and then select Polls, Quizzes. A panel will open where you can either choose an existing poll or create a new one. Click on Create. Your browser will open, and Zoom will take you to the poll setup page. Here, you can give your poll a title and start adding questions. You can choose between single-choice questions, where participants pick one answer, or multiple choice, where they can select more than one. Once you've added all your questions, click Save Now, back in your Zoom meeting. Open the Polls Quizzes tab again, and select the poll you created. You're ready. Click Launch. Participants will see the poll pop up on their screens. They can submit their answers in real time. As the host, you'll be able to see the results live. When the poll ends, you can choose to share the results with everyone or keep them private. And if you ever need to run multiple polls during a meeting, just create them in advance and select them when needed. That's it. That's how you create and manage polls in Zoom meetings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.